Welcome. In this video, we'll cover all the rest of Cambridge Maths IGCSE 0580. Personally, I have given this exam in the 2025 Major series and I have secured an A star. So everything I speak of is from experience. Trust me, 2 years of experience. This subject offers you two pathways, core or extended. Core will require you to take two exam papers, 1 and 3. However, the syllabus for this exam is far easier than that of extended. Disclaimer: the grade you can expect to get with core is a C to G. That's it. I'm not even lying. It's a C. Look it up. Moving over to extended, which also has two papers, papers 2 and paper 4. However, the grade you can get in this is an A star to a G. So if you're aiming for an A star, A or a B, you should go with extended. And personally, I would never recommend core to anybody because no matter how bad you do, the marking scheme will find a way to give you marks somehow. You will end up making marks in the exam and somewhat getting better than a C. However, if you truly do not believe you'll get better than a C, you can go with core, but that's up to you. I would still not recommend that. Paper 1 for core and paper 2 for extended are both non-calculator papers. This has started from 2025, so my batch was actually the first to give the non-calculator paper, and we did not actually have any past papers to go off of. So yeah, but you are lucky, you have past papers, congrats. Moving on, paper 3 and paper 4 are both calculator papers. Pro tip: carry tracing paper, and you will be allowed tracing paper in the exam for the non-calculator papers, which are 1 and 2. And trust me, these help a lot, they save a lot of time. So if you don't want to be messing around with numbers on your calculator during the exam and watch that clock ticking away, bring tracing paper. It's a lifesaver. Moving on, the topics for core and extended are the same. However, some of the subtopics in each of the topics are a bit different. So the extended students have a set of extended topics which the core students do not have. And in my videos, I will be covering core and extended. So first, I'm gonna cover the core syllabus, which is the same for both students. However, those who opt extended should continue watching after a certain point. I will mention that in my videos. You can watch the next ones once I've uploaded them. So once I say that the core students can leave, the core students leave, and the extended continue watching to cover their set of the course. I've linked the IGCSE Maths 0580 syllabus in the bio. I recommend you to read the syllabus yourself and understand where you're standing and how much you've covered in school. If you haven't covered anything in school, that's okay because I'll be going through the entire syllabus from A to Z. So stay with me, you've got this. If you'd like to watch my next videos where I go through topic 1, please subscribe and hit the notification icon so you don't miss the next video when I upload it. Until then, see ya.